system will not be the way it is.
Right.
It is us who are not bringing the kingdom on earth. It is us who are not bringing the will of God on earth. Imithetho yabantwana iyashintsha every day, and every time abazali basukume labantwana abahloniphi. When have you ever said, Lord, thy will be done on earth? Are we together?
Amen.
If you are to pray, you are to do it right. You know, most of us even know this verse by heart. Do you know what it means? Before you can even go down on your knees and saying, did you call for the will of God? In prayer.